All right, folks, we're doing an unboxing here of the Golden Technology BuzzAbout GP164. This is the Golden Technology BuzzAbout GP164 power chair with a high back seat. So when you get your chair, it'll be in a box like this, sitting on a pallet. I don't have the pallet here, but it'll be sitting on a pallet. So let's just see. This is the first time. So cut the straps, and what I would do next, I would pull these out of the way so they're not in your way. And then you're going to want to open the box. So when you open the box, you'll have some foam on top. So you'll pull the foam out. You'll have a flag sitting on top right here. We'll put the flag over here on the ground. And I can see there's a headrest that can be pulled out of there with no problem. Also, we have the charger here and the owner's manual right here. We also have on top of the box the arms, so we'll pull the arms out. And then you have the joystick here. And you have, so they make it real easy to unbox. And you have another arm here. And this is, if you decide to change the color, there's a second color. This is blue. This is all the plastic for the chair. So now we've got all the loose parts out. We're going to pull this cover out of the way. And we're going to, so right now what you can do this before you do anything else, the seat is sitting in here. So if you go to your box, you can just pull the seat straight up like this, right out of the box. You can see all the foam, so we'll pull the seat out. Okay, and now we've got some more packing. And now there's a cardboard box right here, and the base is in here. So now, if you're by yourself, the easiest way to get the base out, because it's in one piece, is to cut the front of the box like this. And like that, and there's your base. So now we're going to pull this out. I'm going to pull the plastic out from around the base, whatever I can pull out. So they have this chair very well packed, okay? There's the battery pack. I'm going to pull the battery pack out to make it easier for a second. Pull the battery pack out. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pull the butt of the chair out like this. Pull it out of the box. So while we have the chair out of the box, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in neutral. There's two levers right there right under here, so you can roll it. I just want to get it out of the way so I can get my box out of the way. So folks, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut off for a second, and we're going to come back and show you how to put all the parts together. All right, folks, so now we've got all the parts on the floor. We got rid of the box. We have the seat here. We have the battery box there, the arms and the headrest and the charger and the flag over there. So I'm looking at the chair now. I see there's a sticker here, so I'm probably going to cut that sticker off. And so the sticker says, remove the battery seal. So the reason they did that, when they had the battery in here, they didn't want the battery to connect on the connector. They have a little tape here. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this seal right here and pull it right off. That's what that sticker was for. So you remove the battery seal. So this is going to be garbage again. So you remove the seal on both sides. There's your cable. We're going to unwrap this. If you're going to put this chair together, before you put the seat on here, you have a screw right here. You have 3 inches. You can go up or down with 3 holes. So you can go down or up 3-inch increments. So 1 inch at a time. So you can adjust the height of the pole. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the battery pack and I'm going to drop the battery pack in here. There we go. And the next thing I'm going to do, I see a little bit of tape in front here. So we're going to be really careful and pull this off without scratching this little machine. Okay. So now we've got the foot plate down. We've got this. So that next thing we would do is we would take the seat here, take the cover off the seat. And there we go. When you put the seat on, if you notice under the seat, there's a little rubber tab. You need to take that off, okay? That's a protection tab. So take this tab off the pole because the pole has to go in here. Whoop. There we go. Wow, it's really tight in there. Pull the cap off of here. And I think we just put it on and just drops on. Let's just see if that's what happens. Yep, it's already locked. There's a handle so you can swivel the seat. The handle's under the right side. So we've got the seat on. The next thing we're going to do, you're going to take the headrest and you're going to push the little button here. Let the headrest go in the slot. We're going to take the arms, okay, get them out of the bag. So this is the right arm. It has the dock. It has this right here for the joystick. So if you're going to put the joystick on the left side, just take the top part of the arm right here, this top part off, and put it on this side, okay? So I'm going to put it on the right side. And when you put the arms in, there's little screws under the seat. You need to unscrew them because the arms won't go in until the screws is all the way unscrewed. You'll see on the other side when I put the other arm on. So here's the other arm. Put the arm, there's a little thing right there. You have to unscrew this because there's a bolt in here. Notice how I've unscrewed it. And now we should be able to slide it in. Not enough, there we go. And then tighten it up, because if you don't tighten it up, you'll have that play like this. Tighten it up. And you're ready to go. Okay, and the arms do flip up. Then you're gonna take your joystick, unwrap it, take it out. You're going to slide your joystick right under the arm right here, okay? And you're going to use an Allen wrench set. So you're going to adjust the joystick to the length that you want, here or here. We're going to put it halfway down so it's neutral. And you just hold it there. So let's just see, I see maybe that they don't have the screw in here. All right, they don't have the screw in there, okay. So let's look in our bag of goodies if they gave us the screw. So we're gonna open this bag right here. So we have a safety belt here. We have an extra knob for the seat. We have the charger here, the owner's manual, and no screw to go under here. So if you give me a minute, I'll go find one and I'll be right back. All right, folks, we're back at it now. So there was a little screw under here that was missing. That's the one you use an Allen wrench, and you can see how it's loose. It's an Allen screw. It goes in there, and then you tighten it real tight. It takes all the play out of the arm. Then you bring your cable inside the arm like this, and you'll see how it fits. It only fits one way. And you put your cable in here, and you plug it in. And then when you plug it in, by the way, folks, if you're going to put the safety belt on, okay, the safety belt goes on the two screws right here. As a matter of fact, let me do it now so you can see it. I should have done it earlier. There's your safety belt. Okay, so you have you can see you have a loop, a hole right there. So you take this knob out of here. Okay, and run it through the knob back in the arm. Okay, and if you want the arms wider, you can move them out before you tighten them up. As I said, if you're left-handed, the only thing you'll have to do is take this part right here off that side and bring it on this side for your joystick to be on this side. So that's how you put the safety belt on. I'm going to do this side here, and what I do is I put the safety belt in the back pouch. Okay, so I'm going to loosen up this one so this chair is completely put together. And as I said, it comes with two color, red or blue. The blue part is on the floor over there next to the charger and the flag and the manual. And what you'll have to do, let me tighten this up. There we go, and the belt is in the back pocket. Make sure your cable is attached to your arm so it doesn't get caught up in here in the hinge of the arm. You don't want to get the cable pinched. So folks, this is the GP146 GP146 BuzzAbout take apart scooter power chair. Well, I'm messing up everything. Power chair out of the box, put together here so you guys can see what it looks like to take it out of the box. So sorry about all these. We're going to leave all that on the film. I like to leave all the outtake so you can see that we do make mistake over here too. But this is a really nice one. This is what it looks like out of the box. The Golden Technology GP146 BuzzAbout power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.